In the Constituent Assembly, 25th November 1948, Dr. Ambedkar warned his colleagues, "We can only maintain democracy when we observe the saying of John Stuart Mill. People should not lay their liberties at the feet of even a great man, or to trust him with powers that enabled him to subvert their institutions. Bhakti may be a road to the salvation of the soul. In politics, bhakti or hero worship is a sure road to degradation and eventual dictatorship." We should be looking at Ambedkar more seriously than we have done. It was prescient because we in India have shown a troublesome tendency to hero worship strong men or women. And the Constitution is destined to neutralize laudatory hero worship. The Constitution, the demand for a Constitution, was a part of our struggle for independence. Up now, we will write our own future. We will not allow the colonial power to write our future. Constitutions are essential. They are not enough. They are essential because they contain democracy. Without a constitution, if democracy can go haywire, it can become reduced to elections the way it has become today. Just elections. No civil liberties, no division of powers, separation of powers, no autonomy of the judiciary. We have to move towards the path of solidarity again. We have to cultivate in our hearts solidarity, sympathy, compassion for our fellow citizens. We have to distinguish between Hinduism as faith and Hinduism as politics. But this is not possible unless we look at the Indian Constitution and the inspiration that it provided us to create a political community which has a sense of obligation to each other.